in 1979, write it, in 1979, STL company name, STL company name was changed into RSI. Within the bracket, write it. What is RSI means? Relational Software Incorporation. That company. Relational, because Oracle is a relational software. No, Relational Software Incorporation. Relational Software Incorporation. Okay, na? In 1979 onwards, 2.0 version is available. Okay, yeah. Again, everyone knows yesterday, anybody attending means they're well-known persons. I'm telling you what, 1982 only, this RSI name was changed into where? Oracle Corporation. Okay, na? Yeah, write it. That is also write it. In 1982, RSI company name was changed into Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Note it down these things. Okay, very easy. Now, a technical terminology, I want only SQL, PLSQL knowledge. I want where the PLSQL is introduced, where dynamic SQL is introduced. You must be familiar. So many fellows are doesn't know those things. Directly they are learning a course is no use. So now that's why those all the things today are understandable. Now write it. Oracle versions. 19C, 12C, 18C. These type of things are there. No, those are versions. Oracle versions. Before we are going to start practically, these versions better to note it down, because some important concepts we are telling me, so maybe in this version those concepts are there, easily understandable. Oracle versions. Now first one, what is the first version in a Oracle means? Oracle, anybody have an idea? Oracle 2.0. very good. 2.0 is a first version. Why? Because this version only they are releasing an outside market. In a occasion, in which year, maybe anybody guess it, which year they are releasing a what? This Oracle 2.0 means 1979 only. RSA company is there, no? That company only releasing a what? Yes, here this is a first version. Okay, 1979. Very good. Some fellows are guessing. Okay, correct. Write it. Oracle versions. Oracle 2.0 is a 1979 only. This is a first public version. Write it. First public version. This one. First public version. Now slowly observe it here. Why Murlis are telling you what these versions and all these things means? Some knowledge easily you are understandable. Now check it out. Actually, Oracle means, observe it here, Oracle is a database product, relational database product. We are operating Oracle means SQL, PLSQL, dynamic SQL languages. We are learning through this one only, these languages only. We are operating. Okay, I'm agree. But unfortunately, in those days, in a 2.0 version side, this PLSQL language is not there. This dynamic SQL not there. Only basic SQL language only available. Basic. Because in the first initial stage, no. That's why now when the PLSQL is introduced, means today you are understandable. That's why first public version is there. In this one, just which concepts are available means only SQL concepts are available. Basic only. Basic SQL functionality is there. Basic SQL functionality is available. Not only that one, actually now here whenever you are attending an interview, so now here either Informatica, either BOS, either Java, either MSBI, in a MSB, SSIS, SSRS, any tools like that only in a data warehousing technology side, anywhere also So many fellows are interested to ask what some concept. These are the two tables are there, multiple tables are there. And now here, yes, here, if from these two tables, I want to retrieve the data, how can I? They're asking only multiple tables data we are retrieving means very, very important concept in every relational database. Also SQL side joins are available. Those joins concepts also available in a first onwards. Very, very important. If you want to fetch data from multiple tables, joins is a concept is there in every database. Equi join, non-equi join, self join, outer join, left outer, right outer, full outer, natural. So many joins are there. That concept is available in where first onwards. Yes, joins concept. Joins. Okay, terminology. Don't worry what is joins or anything. In our course we are learning. Okay, yeah. Next, second one. Write it this one. Finished? Yeah. Next one, second one, maybe at least version number, tell me. So now Oracle, very good. Oracle next version is 3.0. Very good, correct. Now here, this 3.0 was introduced in a which year? Maybe anybody? You don't have an idea, but guessing. Now 1983 only. 1983 only, they are introducing a what? Oracle 3.0 version. Anybody attending a demo classes, you are observing or not, suddenly I'm telling one of the stage one concept. Actually, first day I'm telling what is data, what is information, I'm telling only because that knowledge is helpful in a way in a future purpose only. You have got designing some rules, that code rules explanation, first the information rule purpose. Suddenly second day in a where OLAP, OLTP, something I'm telling only, okay, fine, data warehousing, reporting tools purpose. Suddenly in a third flat file drawbacks only. In that case, suddenly data redundancy is a concept is there. In that one, two commands I'm telling, anybody remembering those things only, anybody attending a demo classes means commit is a command I'm telling or not? Yes, here. Another one is rollback is a command, just roughly I'm telling only. Commit means what is the commit command? What is the commit command? Very good. Commit is a what? A save the transaction, something in every database. Again, rollback means undo, cancel, undo the transaction from memory. Is there or not? Yes, here same like a what? Control Z, undo only in a where in a Windows Word or anything. That's why commit means save, rollback is a what? Cancel. Always I'm telling in a where diagrammatically those concepts in a where previous classes, maybe one or two classes I'm telling. Now, those commit and rollback is available in a where Oracle 3.0 onwards. Before 3.0, those commands are not available. That's why I'm injecting a what? Those concept only. That's why they're introducing a what? Yes, which commands? Commit is a command. Newcomers means don't worry. These commands we are learning in a practically. Commit is a command available in a where in all database SQL. Save, that meaning. Another command is what? Rollback, that is available in a where 3.0 onwards. Okay, fine. Oracle 3.0 onwards, so those commands are available. Don't worry, newcomers. Okay, yeah. So now just idea. Practically we are learning. And now check it out. Next, observe it here. Concentrate here. These are so many concepts. So many fellows are doesn't know. That's why I'm interested to tell some of your other than bookish knowledge only. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Actually, this is a Windows operating system. Okay, my Windows operating system is there in my system. In this operating system, I am right clicking means this pop-up menu is what generated. Again, I am opening a what this one means, a double click means automatically that is opened. Okay, fine. Yes, here like this. These type of things are there. Okay, fine. But how it is possible? Yes, who are developing a what? This Windows operating system in a way, Microsoft company, some software engineers only. Now here based on that one, we are okay, so now double click, right click, okay, sir, close button, we are closing, and now minimize those things. Just we are clicking means automatically it will be happen. But unfortunately, anybody having idea? Yes, maybe tell me. In a Windows operating system from the Microsoft Windows operating system, internally, on a one language they are using. Okay, yes, whenever left mouse button we are clicking means WM_L button down is a event is there. In that event, so much of scientists only, software engineers like you only, they are writing a what in a company, some coding only. And now here, yes, in a Windows operating system was developed by using a which language? Anybody having idea? Maybe roughly outside knowledge. Very good. Some fellows are telling C related. Very good. Not a C extension. Very good. Not a C++. Now anybody? Maybe in a triple E students. Otherwise, M.Tech, those persons only, well-known persons, I think. Anybody learning a courses in a IIT, triple IT, in that case also they are telling. But outside that, no, that language knowledge is not there. So many fellows doesn't have an idea. Yes, very good. One fellow is telling only correct. Visual C++. That's why most powerful language only. Now here companies only providing a training who are taking a what pressures in that one. Yes, these type of operating system security purpose, not a C#.net. Now here, yes, Windows operating system developed by using a what? Which language? Visual C++ language. In that language, MFC, Microsoft Foundation classes, and SDK software development kit, these type of things are there. Through that one only, these languages through they are developing a what? Windows operating system. Same like those knowledge is not required. Same like Oracle also, I am also, you are also daily, we are operating a what? This Oracle. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, in a olden days, internally, in this, whenever we are typing explicitly, also internally one language is there. How it is possible? How it will be retrieved the data means internally one language is there only. Now here actually, which language means PDP assembly language is there. Internally assembly language is there. But unfortunately, 1983 onwards, 3.0 onwards, Oracle is rewritten by using a what? A C language. That's why nowadays internal translator also very powerful in a Oracle side. C language, they are using only internal concept implementation purpose. That much of powerful. In a olden days, PDP assembly language is there, but nowadays, yes, C language only internal translator is there. Okay, that is C language. You don't have an idea, not a problem. But just internal concepts I am telling only. That's why rewritten in a C language, internal translator commands only internally. They are writing a what? C language. Write it, rewritten in C language. Rewritten in C language. Okay, na? Some terminology purpose. Next version. Oracle 4.0 version. In a Oracle 4.0 version, when it will be released, 1984 only they are releasing. In this version, very important concept in any database in the worldwide also, that is read consistency is a property is there that is introduced in a where in this case only read consistency. Read consistency. Suppose what is read consistency means actually pure technical, that one, that is administrator, well-known persons, just observe it, small thing, small idea. And now here, check it out, slowly observe it here. This is a bank is a table is there, for example. Now slowly observe it here. This is a bank is a table. Maybe you are only telling answers. In this bank table, now some data is there, for example, account number. Okay, fine. In every database also this will be there, but Oracle side 4.0 onwards it will be there. Balance, for example. Okay, fine. So now here balance like this. Account number and the name of the account holder, for example, here balance. Just idea purpose. This is a table is there. Okay, fine. In this table, now here check it out. Some data is there. Slowly observe here. Account number 1001. Here name of the account holder. My name is Murali, for example. Balance is 3,000 rupees. Again 1002. So now here, yes, here XYZ is a what a name. Here 5,000 rupees, for example. Again 1003. Here and now here PQR. Here 8,000 rupees are there. Slowly observe here. Now concentrate here. This is a table. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Actually, this is a bank table is there. For example, okay, fine. Here today, 5 o'clock PM. And now here 5 o'clock PM. One user writing a what some query. So now here, yes, here. This is a manager or user requesting a what some data, for example. What is the data they're requesting only? And now here, yes, here, select something they're writing, select a star from here. Okay, some bank only. Okay, they're writing, for example. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, here millions of records are there. For example, 1 crore records are there in a way. Records mean these things 1001, 1002, 1003. 1 crore records are there in this table. Okay, fine. That's why it will take a so much of time only. For example, okay, whenever they are requesting a what sell star from bank means maybe it will take a time up to 5 now here, yes, so 5:30, for example, 5:30 PM, half an hour time it will be taking, for example. Okay, fine. But whenever they are requesting select star from table name, here, yes, up to 5:30 PM only, whatever data is there, that the data, okay, so now here, yes, so much of data is there, okay, fine. But unfortunately, before 5:30 PM, slowly observe it here, maybe in a 5:10 only, one user modifying the data, maybe possible or not, yes, here, another user modify the data, okay, fine. In a 5:30 also, some other user modifying a data. So now here they are changing a what data may be possible. So now here this is a one user modifying the data. So now here, yes, here user one. Again, in a here also some user, this table data, they're modifying. Maybe a number of users are connected to the database. Now here, check it out here, maybe for example, in a 5:10 only, they are modifying the data here in this table 1001. Murli place ABC, they are modifying only. And here, three, okay, so now 3000, okay, so now, yeah, sorry. And Murli is a what? Yes, here, first record is there. Here, 3000 balance, they are modifying into where? Modifying into where? Suppose here, 4000 only, for example. Okay, fine. Again, 5:30 also, just they are modifying a what? Yes, here 1003 only a PQR. This balance is modified into where 9000, for example. Okay, remaining data, same thing is there, for example. Now, anybody tell me in our class, select a star from a bank means whenever they are typing a what, this manager or any vocation of your data entry operator, they are typing a what, this one. Then a database servers, either Oracle or SQL Server DB2, in a 5:30 up to 5:30, this one, which data is showing only? Which data is showing? Whenever this user is modifying this one, and now here your user to modifying this data, okay, fine, in the same table only. Now, but in a 5 o'clock PM only, this person is okay, sell star from bank, they are typing only. Now, which data is showing? 5:10 data or 5:30 data or 5 PM data only? It will be showing which one? Only one data is correct. Very good. Yes, two persons are telling only correct. Yes, here in a 5 o'clock, whatever data is there, that is a correct data only, because 5 o'clock only he is typing a what, this query. Yes, during this process, anybody modifying the data also, that is modified, I'm agree. But unfortunately, up to 5:30 PM, which data is visible? Only first data only visible. Why? Because whatever modifications they are performing a what, here also, those old data means here one Murli 3000 is there or not? This old data is maintained by yes, database servers, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, like this only, in a where internally rollback segments are there. Rollback, suppose Oracle means rollback segments are there internally. In that one old data, it will be maintained. What is the old data is there? 1001. Okay, whatever modified data morally, and also here 3000 is a data is there. Again, old data, which ones? 1003. Here PQR. Again, here 8000 is there. That's why whenever we are typing a what, select star from bank means first that a data which modified data is not there means here XYZ, it will be retrieved only. but during the process they are modifying also. This old data is retrieved from not these tables only, this from the rollback segment, it will be retrieved the data only. That's why correct accurate data they are being only possible. That is called read consistency. Consistent data, anybody in a number of users modifying the data also, when the starting time is there, we are typing only that data only visible. Why? Because that is an accurate data, that is a correct data only. And now here, yes, why? Because that data is maintained by the where in a where rollback segment in a where, okay, so now database server, that data only it will be retrieved by the where the server. That is called a read consistency. That's why old data is visible. Okay, that much of powerful. That is a very, very, very important concept. So now in a database administrator point of view, very important. Developers means doesn't know so many fellows only. Just idea purpose I'm telling. Okay, some concept is there. Okay, fine, not about technical concept. Those all the things. Now next, Oracle, fastly write it. Oracle 5.0. In a Oracle 5.0 version side, now which year they are introducing? 1985. Actually, nowadays, or maybe last 1 year onwards, students are struggling, lecturers are struggling because of Corona only. But unfortunately, yes, now classes are going on, and now so many companies are work from home only. How it is possible? Yes, this is a client server architecture is there. Suppose I am connected to the where in a where company side VPN, through that one we are accessing my data in a where from the where company side. Then I am doing my work and I am uploading my work into the where server. But how it is possible? Compulsory client server architecture is required. That's why. But unfortunately, before Oracle 5.0, client server architecture is not there in a Oracle. Oracle 5.0 onwards, client server architecture is available. So now so many fellows are a well-known persons, entire architecture no in a web-based application. Same like client server architecture is introduced in a where 5.0. Observe here, introduced client server architecture. Okay, some terminology side. Client server architecture. Client server architecture. Okay, next version is Oracle 5.1. I am not interested to tell. Okay, that is distributed databases only. And now next Oracle important version. Next version is what? Oracle, very good, 6.0. This is important. Oracle 6.0 version. Oracle 6.0 version introduced in a where? Which year? Maybe anybody have an idea? Very good. Not in 1986 only. 1988 they are introducing. 1988 only they are introducing a what? 6.0 version. Why I am telling you what? You are not good at what these all the things also. Why Murlis are telling you what this concept means? Reason is there at least some concept your terminology on idea. Then easily, interestingly, we are learning about so much of concepts in a future. Now check it out. Screen observe here. Oracle means Oracle operating means which languages we are using? SQL, PLSQL, dynamic SQL. But first onwards SQL only there. PLSQL is not there. But this PLSQL language is introduced in a where Oracle 6.0 version onwards. Oracle 6.0 version onwards, this PLSQL is there. That purpose, some concept purpose only, I am telling you what these versions are anything. And now here, Oracle 6.0, 1988 only, yes, they are introducing a what? PLSQL language. Nowadays, anybody very good knowledge in where PLSQL means so many jobs are there. Only PLSQL, you have an idea, also jobs are there. And now here, yes, here, but 1988 onwards, that concepts are there. That's why introduced PLSQL. PLSQL means procedural language extension for SQL. PLSQL language. In that language only we are learning stored procedures, stored functions, cursors, triggers, packages, so many things are there. Okay, na? Yeah. Again, row level locks are there. That is not required for you. Just write it row level locks. So locking mechanism is there in that one, row level locks in every database. But Oracle very lately introduced 6.0 onwards. Okay, only at least you have an idea. PLSQL language is there in a where in a 6.0 onwards. You have an idea now. Okay, na? Finished. Yeah. Next version. Anybody have an idea? Next version. Very good. Some fellows are telling Oracle 8.08. They are telling that is absolutely wrong one. And now here, very good. Oracle 7.0. Very good. 7 also there. Oracle 7.0. This Oracle 7.0 version was introduced in a year, which year? 1992 only they are introduced. Oracle 7.0 version is introduced in a year, 1992. Here some terminologies I am telling, one or two important concepts I am telling only. Actually, anybody good at what C language means? In a C language, some data types tell me C language. In a C language, some data types are there. Maybe academic career side, they are learning a C language, no? Integer, float, char, double, so many data types are there. Same like Oracle also. Oracle, we are learning in our course side, some data types are there. Oracle data types. Anybody tell me Oracle data types? Very good. Yes, your char is there. Very good. Correct. Char is there. Another one. Maybe. Anybody roughly introduction, they have an idea means okay. Yeah, very good. Char, they are telling only. Char is not available. What is char? Char is not available. Very good. Yes, some other thing is there. What is that one? Very good. Some fellow is telling only. Yes, varchar. Very good. Correct. Varchar or varchar2. Very good. Varchar. Tell me. Now 2. Very good. Varchar2. This data type is, yes, not available in a before 6.0. Only 7.0 version onwards. This data type is there. Very, very important. Varchar2 data type. What is the difference between char, varchar2? Why they are introducing varchar2? We are learning in our course. Very, very important. Data type varchar2. So now introduced in a way 7.0. Before 7.0, varchar is a data type is there that is not available nowadays in a where Oracle side. Varchar2 data type is there. And now here varchar2 data type is available. In our course side, we are learning here. Observe here. Varchar2 something is there or not? Oh, maybe. So now here character data storing purpose only. And now alphanumeric data storing purpose. That's why varchar2 data type is available. And now here write it. Any newcomers means don't afraid only what is this varchar2 or anything. Practically we are learning. Write it. Data type varchar can be changed into varchar can be changed into varchar2 data type. Varchar2 data type. Some fellow is asking only rollback segment stores a what? A modified record or old record? Old records, not a modified record. Rollback segment means old records. Old records means which are modified means that old value. Okay, na? Data type varchar can be changed into varchar2 data type. These are pure technical. Don't afraid only. These are all the things we are learning. Now, next, observe it here. Actually, everyone knows, maybe technically some fellows having idea. Suppose here this is a table is there. Okay, fine. Maybe some fellows are telling only, maybe guess it. Maybe Java developers are there in our class only, that for those persons purpose. Test is a table is there, for example. Okay, fine. In this one, A and B and C columns are there, for example. Here, so many rows are there. Rows means like this data. Now, one command is there in every database. Whenever we are using that command, all rows are permanently deleted. Only columns are available. What is that command? Very good. Yes, a truncate command. This is a dangerous command only. Truncate table is a command is there in every database, but that is a dangerous command. That command is used to delete all the rows from the where table permanently, but only columns are available. The truncate command also introduced in a where Oracle 7.0 version onwards. 7.0 version onwards. That's why truncate table command. And now this truncate, alter, drop, truncate, these all the things in our course we are learning. Suppose here, now here actually, suppose here, observe it here. Now in our course only, suppose 9 o'clock batch is there, those persons are learning create, alter, drop, truncate, rename, DDL commands. how can I, these syntaxes, and another one is a DML. These are all the things we are learning in our close flashback. So many recycle bin, so many concepts are there. Okay, this is a what? Yes, a truncate. Oracle 7.0 onwards, truncate table is there. Whenever we are truncating means these rows are deleted. Okay, permanently deleted those rows, but only columns are available. Those are all the things we are learning in our course side. Don't worry. Just a terminology purpose I am telling. Write it. Introduced truncate table command. Truncate, fastly write it. Truncate table command. Next remaining thing you don't have an idea really. Okay, just a fundamental programmer means maybe anybody good at what some computer students means your basic knowledge only this truncate, this varchar, they have an idea. Remaining stored procedures, stored functions, packages, triggers, these all the things are there. That is so now here, yes, you don't have an idea, but in our course we are learning that is also 7.0. Write it. Stored procedures. Stored procedures, very important concepts for any database or front-end developers also. Stored functions, something is there. Don't worry, these are technicals. Again, fastly write it. Triggers, the concepts on PLSQL. Again, packages. Package. Just to note it down. These all. View compilation is there. View compilation. So all the things you don't have an idea. Roles and so many things are there. Okay, just some concepts. Okay, fine. At least the next version number, tell me version number. Next version number. Yes, very good. Again, still so many fellows are okay. So now they are telling what's the next version number is Oracle 8i. They are telling no. So now, yes, very good. Some fellows are telling Oracle 8.0. They are telling no. Oracle 7.1 is a version is there. Oracle 7.1 also there. This 7.1 introduced in a way 1994. Why Murlis are telling about 7.1 version also means the reason is there. Now check it out. This version so many fellows are doesn't know also. I am interested to tell why because and now check it out. Actually, already I am telling Oracle operating means three languages you are learning. One is SQL, another one is PLSQL. SQL is first onwards is there. PLSQL is 6.0 onwards is there. But unfortunately, another language, dynamic SQL is there. This is available in a where Oracle 7.1 version onwards. And now Oracle 7.1 version onwards, they are introducing this one. Just that awareness purpose only, I am telling this one. Write it. Introduced dynamic SQL. Introduced dynamic SQL. Another one is ANSI, ISO, SQL standards are there. First initial stage, I'm telling you, yes, SQL is ANSI standard language. From that SQL, Oracle SQL, MySQL SQL, SQL Server SQL, DB2 SQL, they are designing, yes, here that ANSI standard 92 standards are available in a 7.1 version. 92, 99, 2003 standards are the latest standards of 2003 standards. From those standards, they are copying out so many concepts. Okay, those things you don't have an idea really. Okay, fine. Not about just to note it down. Next version, fastly write it. Oracle 7.2. Next version is Oracle 7.2 version. When this version was released, means 1995. In 1995 only, they are releasing this version. This is most powerful. Actually, you are a Java developer. You are a JDBC programmers are there. Java developer, .NET developer, PHP developer, or anything. These developers are, okay, fine. This database is there. In this database, they are passing some data. Yes, their stored procedures are there. Those procedures are receiving this data. Again, this data is sending from the database into where your front end only. How it is possible means actually here parameters are there. These parameters are ref cursor is a parameter is there. This riff cursor is a concept is there. The riff cursor written about multiple records into where Java, .NET, PHP, now here Python. Okay, so multiple records it will be written only. How can I miss? Riff cursor is a concept is there that is introduced in a where 7.2. That's why Java developers, .NET developers, Python developers, these persons are most familiar. Riff cursor is a concept. Unfortunately, so many fellows are not good at what very good knowledge in aware. Yes, those things only, but in an interview side, those things only they're asking. So now here, observe it here. Yes, introduced. Introduced is a pure technical. Introduced. Riff cursor. Riff cursor is a concept is there. Don't worry. Okay. Yes, riff cursor in a PLS. Riff cursor. Not only that one, so now here I want to write a query to display nth highest salary employee, second highest salary employee, interview questions only in Java, .NET, Python. Now here is a tab view, quick view, so many interview side. How it is possible? Inline view is a concept is there through that one possible. Don't worry, these are practical. Again, database administrator side, job scheduling is there, DBMS underscore job package they are introducing. These are all the things you don't have an idea really. DBMS underscore job, something is there. Don't worry. Okay. Suppose our procedure is every Monday, 10 o'clock, I want to execute. Every Sunday, 5 o'clock, I want to execute. Like that means automatically execution. Job scheduler is there nowadays. 11G, olden days, job package is there. Write it 9. Some other version. Oracle. Oracle, next version 7.3. Oracle 7.3 that is introduced in aware 1996. Oracle 7.3 introduced in 1996. That is a data warehousing programmer. Anybody learning a courses in aware SQL server related data warehousing concept MSPI. Otherwise, Oracle related data warehousing concepts in Informatica, data state. These tools means bitmap indexes are there. That is very lately introduced in aware Oracle bitmap index. Suppose in a Oracle apps, students are there. Those persons are outbound, inbound interfaces they are developing. That is UTL underscore file package. These are pure technical. Don't worry. UTL underscore file package they are introduced. Okay, na? Okay, na? Next version. What is the next version? Oracle. Very good. Oracle 8.0, not 8. 8.0 is there. That is 1997. They are introduced. 1997. And now slowly observe it here. Now, actually, nowadays, anybody learning a courses, Java, .NET, these type of courses means always object-oriented features are there. What is object? What is class? What is inheritance? What is polymorphism? These concepts are there. Same object technology they are introducing in aware 1997 only, 8.0 onwards. Write it fastly. Introduced object technology. Object technology introduced in aware 8.0 version onwards. Anybody having idea in our class only? Maybe some Java developers are attending these classes. Maybe those persons are telling only. Suppose, yes, this is a table is there in a database, not only Oracle side. Suppose I want to store numbers means not a problem. So now here, yes, these numbers we are storing means we are declaring a data type number, integer, some data type is there. Okay, fine. Now, same like I want to store image I want to store. For example, images I want to store. In a very person of photos we are displaying, no video files we are displaying. Images I want to store means which data type they are using only. Anybody having idea? In a database, which data type? Very good. One fellow is telling, very good, correct, 100%. BLOB is a data type. Binary large object is a data type. BLOB data type we are using for loading a what images, loading a video files, loading a binary data. BLOB is a data type is there. BLOB, CLOB, B file, so many data types are there. Those data types are introduced in a where? Oracle 8.0. Nowadays, that is supported by all the database in the worldwide. Yes, here BLOB. Now here, yes, here BLOB. Vemula, so now you are right. You are asking a doubt only whether rollback segment stores old records for those records which were modified or all the old records. No, which were modified, those old records only. Very good, correct. Now, yes, write it. Introduced LOB data types. Fastly write it. These are all the things not required. LOB data types. Within the bracket, write it CLOB, comma, BLOB, comma, B file data types. Data types. Write it another one. Nested table. These are all the things technical. Nested table. Fastly write it. Nested table, because these are all the things you don't have an idea. VRI. Okay, fine. Okay, important 150 above is there in a way 8.0, but important our interview concepts that I am telling. Case statement. Case statement they are introduced. Here trim function. Trim function they are introduced. Next. Fastly write it. Oracle 8i. Actually, Oracle 8.1.5, 8.1.6, 8.1.7 is there. That is called, total is called Oracle 8i only. Okay. 8i. This is 1999 only they are introducing. Actually, what is I? Nowadays, G means grid, C means cloud computing is there. No, same like what is I? Very good. I means internet technology. Internet. Actually, Oracle failure in a very internet technology side. Actually, suppose you are a Java developer, so if you want to develop a web-based application, means JSP is there. Again, you are a .NET programmer, you want to develop a web application, means ASP.NET is there. Okay, active server pages. Again, PHP developers are PHP, they have a well-known person. Same like these web-based applications. Oracle also introducing a web-based application. What is that one means? But unfortunately, that is not available in a market now. Why? Because that is failure. PSP they are introducing. That is PLSQL server pages. But unfortunately, this failure. Nobody preferring only. Yes, that's why database side only it will be popular, but front end side PSP is a okay. So now here introduced, but unfortunately failure in a Oracle 8i. That's why we are not telling that one. And now here we are telling what another concept. What is that one means? Concentrate here. Suppose here in a table is available. So many columns are there in a table. Okay, fine. In a olden days, how many columns? These are columns are there. How many columns? Maximum columns per a table, only 255. But unfortunately, Oracle 8 onwards, these columns they are introducing a what? Now, how many maximum columns per a table nowadays? 1,000 columns. That is Oracle 8i onwards. They are introducing only. Write it fastly. Increased table columns up to 1,000. Remaining all the things you don't have an idea. Fastly write it. Materialized views, most powerful in a data warehouse concept side. Again, roll up and cube concepts. Roll up, comma, cube. Type it fastly. Note it down just enough. Here, case conditional statement. Here another one. Bulk bind, most powerful. Bulk bind. Here, autonomous transactions. Again, analytical functions, rank, dense rank, so many things are there. Analytical functions. Here, instead of triggers is a concept is there, that one. because all the things are available. Okay, na? Up to this one is enough because so many fellows are, what is these things of new concept, they're afraid only. Okay, yes, up to this one is enough. Remaining versions fastly I'm telling you what, within 10 or 15 minutes I'm completing a what tomorrow. Then we are starting a what. Yes, editions are there. Which edition we are using, what is that one, and now here what is SQL plus tool and remaining tools, Express edition, enterprise edition, in a which user we are connected to the where server, and now here Scott is a which user, how we are downloading a software, those all the things we are starting. Okay, na? Yes, tomorrow I will tell you. Remember. Okay, okay, tomorrow we'll continue. Okay, yeah.